no one to hear my breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a man up the midnight. Want somebody help me just to shout us away. Give me a man up the midnight. Then Mr. that I praise it a break of the day. It's a different world, the world I'm living in. Tie up TV, I open the window and I get into the dark. But then there's no one inside. The silence so right there, no one to hear my breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a man up to midnight. Want somebody help me just to shout us away. Give me a man up to midnight. Then the started night to say the break of the day. Give me a man up to midnight. Woo. Give me a man up to midnight. Woo-hoo. 보통 밖에 행사장에 나가면 이렇게 간주가 나올 때 함성을 한 번씩 질르거든요. 함성 질러도 됩니까? 함성 질러도 됩니까?
네, 그렇게 하세요.
자, 그러면 이 아름다운 분위기를 한번 즐기는 의미에서 다 같이 함성. 자, 기쁨의 함성. 자, 소리 질러. 자, 박수. The silence so right there, no one to hear my breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a man up to midnight. Want somebody help me just to shout us away. Give me a man up to midnight. Then the started I could see the break of the day. Give me a man up to midnight. Want somebody help me just to shout us away. Give me a man up to midnight. Then the started I could see the break of the day.